Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bridge Ethereum to Solana step by step using the official Portal Bridge and Phantom Wallet. So if you've got some ETH you want to move over to the Solana network, this guide's for you. So let's get started. First, you want to open your web browser and go to portalbridge.com. That's the official token bridge site we'll be using. And once you're here, you'll see two drop downs, one labeled from and the other one labeled to. So what you want to do is you want to set from to Ethereum. There we go. And then to Solana. There we go. That tells the bridge where your funds are coming from and where they're going. Next, you'll need to connect your source wallet. This is the wallet holding your Ethereum. So what you want to do is you want to click on connect source wallet and select for in this case I'll choose MetaMask, but choose whichever wallet you use. So let me choose MetaMask here. Then you want to give Portal Bridge access, so just click connect. There we go. Now next you want to choose your destination wallet, which needs to support Solana. And in this tutorial, let's go ahead and use Phantom Wallet. Select it, and if it's your first time, you want to grant permission to it as well. There we go. Now, once both wallets are connected, you want to enter the amount of Ethereum you want to bridge. Just remember to leave a little Ethereum for gas fees. When that's done, just go ahead and click review transaction, confirm it, and wait a few minutes. Now, after the bridge completes, you'll see wrapped Ethereum in your Phantom wallet. Now, to convert that into actual Solana, what you want to do is you want to open your Phantom wallet again. So let's click here. Then you want to choose Explore or this magnifying glass. Then choose Sites. And then you want to choose Jupiter. Now you want to choose Jupiter because that's a Solana swap platform. So let's click this. This will lead us to a new website. Now in Jupiter under Sell, what you want to do is you want to choose WETH or Wrap Ethereum. There we go. Scroll down. There we go. Now, to convert that into actual Solana, you want to open your Phantom wallet again. And from here, just connect your wallet. Oh, by the way, make sure this one is in Solana, okay? Now, once done, all you have to do is just connect your wallet, enter how much wrapped Ethereum you want to swap, and then confirm the transaction. That's it. You've successfully bridged your Ethereum to Solana. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.